What's up everyone, Jason at Canyon Adventure Vans. Today I want to show you one of the small little details that we do in the garage of Winnebago Revel, and that is all the wires and cords that are in here for the electric bed to go up and down. We have a harness cover that covers that, and it just Velcros, but it gives it a nice little cleaner look instead of having all those wires in your face. So I'm gonna show you how to install that, and hopefully you can see the difference. All right, so basically what I'll do is come in here and wrap it like so. Eventually just slide it up. So all I'm doing is just sliding it over it, and then basically just doing that, making sure it's all nice and clean and straight lines. The OCD will kick in if it's not. But it's just these little things, right? You're in your van, you're spending a couple $100,000 on these things, and it's nice to make them a little more aesthetically pleasing. And you can take this actually and pinch that all the way up. That'll get stuck between the harness and the plastic bed frame. So that locks in there like so. Then I'll just continue. So Velcro this. There we go. And I'll kind of just start it back up here. Same process on this side. All you're doing is just lining that Velcro up. Last piece here. It's crooked. Let's straighten that out a little bit. There we go. And then I'll kind of pull it through so it's a little tight, and then kind of just pinch it under here. Then you can put that on the inside. Actually, I think that looks better. Yeah, so you could just basically put that on here. I can move it where these are on the outside. I could do whatever. I think that probably looks the best like that. And that's it, just kind of covers it up. You can actually unscrew it here, slide it all the way up so it pinches, and then it won't come off. But that's it, just looks a lot cleaner than what was here. It protects it. Nobody's, if you're sitting there and if your hair can get stuck in there if you have longer hair or something, so it just aesthetically looks a lot better. And if you take the time, like I'm not doing right now, you can really just clean it up so it's consistent all the way around. But that's it. That's the bed harness cover. Super simple mod, but just covers that thing up, kind of blends it in a little bit more with the wall. So hopefully that'll help make a decision for you if you want to purchase that or not. We like it. We like to make things aesthetically pleasing in here. But if you like it, hit that like button below, subscribe, leave a comment. We'll keep putting out this killer content and just trying to be a service to the community, educate you, give you more detail about the products that we use inside the Winnebago Revel. So we'll see you on the next video.